The gene revolution is destroying the genetic base of our food supply. A 2006 report found that 60% of Indian farmers using genetically modified seed could not recover their investment, let alone feed their families.
What would it take for the world to change?
A gardener from New Zealand and a bucket of cow dung.
Smells chemical.
He believes a revolution is happening, one farmer at a time.
Free trade. I mean, one has no idea.
Most of the seeds they are buying are failing them.
We've taken the chemicals so adept at annihilating the enemy and turned them against nature and ourselves.
We are responsible for our own actions. Unless we have the right food, we can't think properly.
If you eat untruth, you'll be untruthful.
We want independence to grow whatever we want.
They could solve their own problems.
You tell people about it, go some miles.
The outcome of the battle for agricultural control in India may dictate the future of the earth.
You are the world, and if you change, the world changes.
Sometimes I feel it's too simple to be true.
Please wake up, people, please wake up.